You can learn English grammar mistake with solutions. I'm agree your point. I agree your point. I'm feel pretty good. I feel pretty good. That's his difficult task. That's difficult task. She have a cat. She has a cat. She doesn't has a dog. She doesn't have a dog. I was go to work yesterday. I went to work yesterday. You need try harder. You need to try harder. What do you usually take for breakfast? What do you usually have for breakfast? She said me to call her. She told me to call her. I stopped to pay attention. I stopped paying attention. I am waiting you. I am waiting for you. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.